Wow, it looks beautiful. My God. Man, it looks good. Whoa! Okay. Oh my God. Holy shit. Here, I'm gonna hold you guys, because that angle was terrible. I'm seeing nothing. My dude. A live lightning storm. So this is a storm that I've been watching for the last 10 minutes. It looks absolutely beautiful. Huh. Not seeing any so far. I mean, I did see some flashes. Whoa! Brother! Hi there! Yeah, let's get into a more confined spot. Get a better view. There we are. That's better. Actually, let's move a little bit more to the right. There we go. Now you get in between shots here. There you go. Sucks I can't zoom in. Got some strong winds. We got a storm here. Just came out of nowhere. It showed up all randomly. Well, actually I lie. It's crazy. Huh. I hear thunder. So it's starting to get closer. I don't know if it's gonna hit the ground or not. Looks like it might. That actually might be a better spot. Losing power, 24%. How does that look? I'll be right back. 20% battery life. I wonder if there's going to be a bolt of lightning soon. It's going to hit the ground. Oh, wow. Oh, it's getting crazy now. Whoa. Well, we haven't had rain in 7 months, so that's good, I guess. Ah! Oh my God. %12 battery life, guys. I'm watching. It's 6:25 p.m. Ooh. Woo-hoo-hoo. Don't worry, the GoPro is waterproof. GoPro just died. It's really storming out here. Yeah. I gotta get the GoPro. But it's getting crazy. Oh my God. I'm so happy I'm in a dry spot, guys. Ah! My phone got hit. I gotta step out there and get the GoPro. Yeah. Oh God! Where was that? Jesus, dude! Woo! 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 Oh my God!
Ah! Water's leaking! Yeesh!
Bring her out the GoPro. Ah. Good for you. Ah!
Look on your chin. Your chin, Rick. No, go back up.
Oh, it's flooding. Great. Ah!
Good finger. It's really pouring out there. It's pouring. Pour.
You want a free shower?
Yes, it's pouring. Oh, that water's out there.
God damn it. Ah! I gotta back up. Son of a bitch.
Awesome. I love it. I love it.
I hate rain.
I love it. Don't say that. It's wrong.
Oh, shit. I want it to stop. Jesus. Oh, fuck. Ah, son of a bitch. I can't be out here no more. Yeah, I know. I see it. Woo! Oh, hi there. Bolts of lightning. Where are you, my pretty? Wow. Glorious. Ow, ow. Huh. Oh. Well. Are you gonna hit the ground, buddy? Buddy? Do it. I should go live, huh? Whoa! Oh my god. Now go live on YouTube? That would be great. Deadly shock! Yeah! Oh, I can, yay. Oh my god, guys. Lightning storm. Lightning storm. Are you gonna hit the ground? Also, the street is flooded. If you guys don't see it. Uh-oh. Poor guy. This is the most rain we've had in quite a long time, guys. It's absolutely crazy. Also, if you guys want to know, the GoPro is here. It's got 22% battery life. But, yeah. The road is completely flooded, for those of you curious. Our front porch is flooded. Everything is flooded. Oh, the air plants are getting some nice rain. That's good. I'm wondering if there's going to be a bolt of lightning that's going to hit the ground. I'm turning off and on the GoPro, so that way it's not being bombarded with. Oh, also today is June 17th. I don't know the specific time right now, although my phone has it. I'd have to look at my phone now. That was down there. Wow. Oh, wow. Here's the latest radar. I'm putting it up on the screen in the video for the Weather Channel. I wonder if there's going to be a bolt of lightning that's going to hit the ground. This is what you get for Needles weather. I think you can't even see out there. Look at that. Damn. There's the GoPro. Again. 16% battery life. Yeah, it's it hasn't rained here in 7 months. So this is like 7 months of accumulated rain. Oh my god. I'm not joking when I say the road is officially flooded. It is at least an inch of rain. This is no little downpour. This is an inch of rain, dude. I'm not kidding. Good to have some rain. Good to have some rain, you know? You can clearly see the road is... Oh, I missed that. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Hey, yo! Calm yourself, brother. Look at the car. That's what you call a flood. Damn. Do you think the power is gonna go out? With this much amount of rain? Ow, the GoPro's getting hot, guys. Ow. Alright, one more clip from the GoPro. One more clip from the GoPro. Sorry. That 12% battery life. And then after that, we'll stay on live so you guys can stick around and watch everything. It's going down, bro. If you're wondering, yes, GoPro is waterproof. Yeesh. Calm yourself, brother. Calm yourself. Okay, the GoPro is getting really, really hot. It's hurting my fingers. Hold it. 10 more seconds. Ow, 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 ow. It hurt my finger. Ah, damn it. Too hot. Ow. Alright, now we're just in the live stream now. Might have to change my my pants. Fine though. Good to have them get soaked with natural rain. Yeah. Oh my God! This rain. It's absolutely crazy. Whoa, sir! Excuse your language. Yeah, as you can clearly see, it is completely flooded. Completely. Like, I wish I could go out there and take a photo of it. This is the longest downpour I've ever seen. The biggest downpour I've ever seen in my life. And I've seen a lot of downpours. This one takes the cake. Hands down, takes the cake. Watch the car. Oh, he can't go that way. It's too flooded. I would love to go live on the GoPro, but our internet is out, as you can clearly see. We're getting a lot of lightning strikes today. Oh, we can almost see the mountains. We can almost see it. It's clearing up, guys. It's clearing up. Mind you, I have a bottle of ramen in my room. It's probably just all soggy now. Poor ramen. Yeah, it's just mostly some cloud lightning. Non-efficiently hitting the ground. Who knows? I definitely want to get some shots of the riverbed in the road here. So I'm gonna get some GoPro shots of that. The GoPro has 4K Super View, so I'm gonna get some crazy shots of that. All right, I'm gonna go. I get switch over to the GoPro. All right, here we are, GoPro. We got some masterful flooding here. Masterful. There. Got the GoPro wet. Cool it off a little bit. What the hell was that? Someone's freaking out. Someone's like, woo! I had to go outside.
But yeah, this is some really heavy flooding. Seriously heavy. So pretty nuts. I'll be back in the next clip. All right, here we are in the aftermath. It's only sprinkling. Got a massive flood here. You guys can't see it, but yeah. Oh God. There was a bolt of lightning right there. Can't record for that long. Storm is still here. It's been raining non-stop for hours. At least an hour and a half. But there's still lightning strikes right there. Still occasionally happening. Hello. I would use the GoPro, but it apparently is not working right now. We got some bystanders who are from out of town who never seen needles rain. So yeah. All I can say at this moment is be careful. We got mega flash floods. Well, we had mega flash floods. So, yeah. The power flickered a while back from the power going out. Which that was pretty nuts. Whoa! Yeah. Hope you guys all saw that. That was pretty cool. See, I'm gonna get married. And I'm not gonna stop doing this. I'm sorry, but this is my passion. This is my hobby. And I'm not gonna stop. Come on, Bolts. Give me another one. Show me what you got, brother. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, my bunny. Come on, my darling. Zip. Come on, Zappage. Trying to make the GoPro go as long as possible. Because I saw some really good bolts, and I want GoPro to at least catch one. No, the power is going out now. GoPro now. GoPro's like, I'm done, bro. Come on. Come on, little buddy. Come on. Get in there. Catch something, dude. Come on. Come on.
Damn it! It's saying it's too low. It's like, no, it's not. Well, that one happened over there. Come on, just 2 seconds. It'll just take 2 seconds. God damn it. Come on, Bolt. It's at 2% battery life. Don't do it. You get so much to shoot. And the battery died. God damn it. I know what you're thinking. We'll go charge it. Yeah, but then I'm going to miss some bolts, bro. And that's gonna be sad. Here. Alright, guys. Sorry about that. Whew. Any lightning? It's only sprinkling, but flood was really bad earlier. Whew. Yeah. Huh. I think the storm might be stopped producing lightning now. GoPro's charging. I think the storm is done with us. That was nuts. Here, let's take a look around. So earlier we had a massive flood right here that went down the street that way and then went down this street that way. Don't worry, it's just sprinkling. It's not all hardcore like it was earlier. I'll if you guys are watching the Weather Channel, I'll put a video clip of what the rain was like when it started and then how it like progressed over time. Yeah, that is above us, and that's that way, and then there's that, just black, just pure black in the dark clouds. Oh, that was a good one. All right, that was a good. That's a good ending to this live stream. Well, I hope you enjoyed. You guys, for now, peace. The Vegan Grace. Signing out.
I have painted pictures of the past, the brighter future that I want to last. I'm looking for the place to share my dreams. I'll hold on tightly to what I believe.